video, you're gonna learn how to find the missing angle of the isosceles triangle. If you want to learn how to find it, just keep watching in this video and let's begin.
Our topic for this day is finding the missing angle. So, this is the example of isosceles triangle. Because in this side is our congruent. This side is our congruent. The marked sides here are same length. And then in this angle here, the angle of isosceles triangle. Right. So that angles are the same size. Alright. So first, what the angles in isosceles triangle? So all the three angles situated within the isosceles triangle are acute, which signifies that the angles are less than 90 degrees. The sum of the three angles of an isosceles triangle is always 180 degrees. Always remember that, which means we can find out the third angle of a triangle if the two angles of an isosceles triangle are known. So what is the formula of finding the angle? It is n minus 2 times 180 is the formula for calculating the total measure of all interior angles in a polygon. So in this case, n denotes the number of sides on the polygon. How many sides of the polygon. The angles in the triangle, a three-sided polygon, total 180 degrees. So always remember that all angles in a isosceles triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So here are the examples of isosceles triangle. So the first one is here. So that is example of isosceles triangle because they have the same length in the sides, and then the angles also are congruent. Another one example is here. As you noticed that this isosceles triangle has the same sides, right? So the same length. The sides of this isosceles triangle are congruent. So here are example of solving the missing angle of isosceles triangle. First one, we have the given angles. So 70 degrees. So and x. So how are you going to find the x? The missing angle, which is this. That is the missing angle. So we are going to find that angle. So because just always remember that this isosceles triangle is always equal to 180 degrees. So how are we going to find the missing angle? In order to find it, just do this formula. Add the both numbers of these angles here, of this angle, number of these angles. Just add that, including this x. So x plus 70 is equals to 180 degrees. So after that, so 70 plus 70 is equals to 140. So we have x plus 140 is equals to 180 degrees. By using additive inverse, x plus 140 minus 140, so the 140 here in the side, so will be cancelled out. And then 180 minus 140, so our numbers here, x is equals to 180 degrees minus 140. So just subtract that. So our x is equals to 40 degrees. So we have found out the missing angle, so which is 40 degrees. So if we are going to put this 40 degrees this angle. So if you want to check it, if this isosceles triangle is equals to 180 degrees, just substitute here the value of x is 40. Then 40 plus 70 degrees is equals to 180 degrees, right? Another one. So example number 2. Alright. So here. So we have triangle XYZ. So the angle of X is 12x plus 8 degrees. And angle Y is 55 degrees. And then our angle Z is 8x minus 3 degrees. So we're going to find the missing angle, right? So first we just solve for X value, alright? So we have here 20 wait. So here 12x plus 8 55 plus 8x minus 3 equals to 180 degrees. So in doing that, so just combine those terms, right? So we have 20x plus 60 is equals to 180 degrees. And then after that, by using additive inverse, we add 60 degrees, add negative 60 to both sides. So we have 20x plus 60 minus 60 is equals to 180 minus 60 degrees. And then 20x is equals to 180 degrees minus 60 is equals to 120. And then by using division property, so 20x over 20 is equals to 120 over 20. Sorry for the, this is 20. It's not 120, alright. So 120 divided by 20 is equals to x. So we have now the value of x. So as we know the value of x, just substitute the value of x in this angle in order to find the angle of x and angle of z. You just substitute it. So we have measure of angle x, 12 times 6, so our x is 6, plus 8 is equals to 72. So 12 times 6 is equals to 72 plus 8, so equals 72 plus 8 is equals to 80 degrees. So our angle here is equals to 80 degrees. So 80 degrees. Another one, to find the angle of z, the missing angle of z. So measure angle of z, substitute again, 8 times 6 minus 3 equals to 45 degrees. So in this angle is equal to 45 degrees. Another one, in order to check it if it is correct, if this isosceles triangle is equal to 180 degrees, then 80 degrees plus 55 degrees plus 45 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Alright, so it is correct that this isosceles triangle is congruent. The angle of this isosceles triangle are congruent because it is equals to 180 degrees. Alright.